Are you looking to take that water cleaning to the next level? Well, in today's video, we're going to show you exactly how you can do that. We have the Giraffe Tools Grandfalls pressure washer to take a look at and let you know just what we think, all in today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you are new to the show, then make sure to follow where you should be following. Hit that like button where you can, and if you got that option to turn notifications on, make sure to do so. That way you keep up with all the latest content, deals, and tricks, tips, whatever it is tech related and cool stuff we bring to you. Today's episode of Good Tech Cheap is brought to you by Giraffe Tools. We have the Grandfalls pressure washer to be unboxing and taking a look at. And don't forget, we have all the links and details located in the description, so make sure to check them out. But first thing is first, let's get to that unboxing. Let's go. All right, let's get it out of the box. Cut the tape off with my handy knife. Let's see what we get. Right on the top, we have our user manual. Then we have one of our end extensions and a little type of paperclip looking style tool. Then we have more fittings and mounting screws and a level. Check out the level. And we've got a soap bottle that we can use on the end of the pressure washer to add soap into our spray. Then we'll lift the foam up and see what we got. Oh, we've got a big old boy over in here. On the side, we have our handle that we'll put the attachment in. We'll go ahead and show you how to do that. Goes right in and twists into place. And there is our spray handle. On the side here, we have an extra hose to run the water to the pressure washer reel. And then we've got the big beast itself. Comes right out of the box. So on the reel, we have a fitting right here to put a water hose on. And on the other side, we have the switch, as well as your power plug, and the end that goes into the spray handle. Take the wire out there, and that will give us our mounting bracket, which you can see will slide up into place and lock, so you can remove the reel if you need to after mounting. And this hose is 100 feet. So we should be able to clean this whole driveway with a pressure washer. Well, this is everything you get in the box. Now we're gonna get it attached, hooked up, and do some washing. So far, this thing is freaking awesome. The Grandfalls pressure washer really comes in handy, especially with a 100-foot hose. It's gear that works hard, so you don't have to. Auto organization, the hose will retract, and the unique retractable system, so you don't have to worry about knots, tangles, all that be gone when you need to pull your hose out. You just pull it without any tangles, no problemo. And when it comes to washing your stuff, it can be done so easily with PSI up to 2200, which in fact I believe comes in really handy on washing cars. And well, that's exactly what we tried this baby out on. And so far, it done absolutely amazing washing the car. We got a whole job done. The spray handle has a slot on it that you can put the different attachments in, and I found them so handy for keeping them right there on you at all times. As well as a sweet soap container. I absolutely love the soap container on this pressure washer. Simply adding soap and filling it up makes the job so easy to soap up and sud, get those soapy bubbles when it comes to washing your car, exactly like at a car wash. And then you can just put the right attachment on that you want and give your car an immediate washing, and it will look absolutely amazing. And I definitely would call this a time saver, because that's what it done for me while washing Grandma's car. I saved so much time, Grandpa was like, hey, you should try that thing out on the side of the house. So I did, and I got it all done around the same time it would took to wash the car without the Grandfalls pressure washer, as well as saving a lot of space. It easily mounts up on the wall wherever you want to put it. Then you just hang the pressure washer down onto the back bracket that you mount onto the wall, and it would just sit there taking up hardly any space at all. And when you're ready to use it, you can retract the hose and get to work. I mean, it's so handy, it even has a little cup holder for your soap container. That way you always have it with you. You ain't gonna lose it if you got a special spot for it, or you shouldn't. And if you do, shame on you. But especially during the winter time, I would highly recommend you to store it indoors somewhere instead of leaving it out in the weather. But when you're ready to use it, it's easily able to be used. And of course, when you're done using it, the hose will retract very powerfully, actually. It will take up the whole 100-foot roll without any issues, but you want to relieve the pressure with the handle first. But after that, it will reel the hose up completely without any tangles. And you can see the mechanism right here that makes it easily guide onto the spool. Really does a great job. And overall, and I'm just completely impressed with how well this pressure washer worked. So if you're in the market for a new pressure washer, this is one I would highly recommend you to check out, especially with a discount code. That's right, we have a $10 off coupon code, Good Tech Cheap, that you can use to save some money. And that's what I'm talking about. Make sure you check out all the links and details in the description. Grab that coupon code, save you some cash, because this pressure washer is freaking awesome. And I'd also like to take this time to thank Giraffe Tools for sponsoring this video so we could give you this review, as well as hooking up our community with an epic discount code. While also taking this moment to give my grandmother a huge shout out for helping me with this product. That's right. So we got to get this out of the box, and she did an excellent job helping me film and get this done. So thank you, Grandma. I love you. I know you're watching this. 2 thumbs up. You did a great job. And you even come out with a sparkling, shining car from that wash job. That's right. You're very welcome. But that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Giraffe Tools and that discount code in the description. Also, be sure to give this review a like if you found it helpful. Get in the comments, let us know what you think about this pressure washer and what you possibly would need it for. As well as subscribe and follow where you should be following and checking out all the sweetest, latest deals and tech and everything else we talk about on this channel. That's going to wrap it up for this one. Until next time, I'll see you in the next review.